It's been nearly 7 months since 5-year-old Thomas Cooper was killed in a hyperbaric chamber explosion at the Oxford Center in Troy. 4 people are charged in his death. Today, the center's owner was in court for an evidentiary hearing. Gino Vici joins us live from outside the Oxford Center with what happened.
Today inside District Court, Tamala Peterson's attorney says detectives may have violated his client's rights by reviewing communication, which is protected by attorney-client privilege. Ultimately, the judge deciding there's simply no evidence of that happening.
Your Honor, what I'm asking for, and I know the court is aware of it, is an evidentiary hearing to determine what the police looked at when they examined the computers and telephone of Ms. Peterson.
Did Troy PD illegally obtain evidence in the second-degree murder investigation into this woman, Tamala Peterson, who is charged in connection to the death of 5-year-old Thomas Cooper, who died back in January of this year when the hyperbaric oxygen chamber he was inside exploded? Assistant AG Chris Kessel says Peterson's attorney is going on a fishing expedition and insists Troy PD did not violate her rights.
Because the truth is, he cannot point to any evidence that has been used or referenced or anything like that that would indicate that any of his clients' attorney-client privilege communications have been breached or broken into or anything like that.
Peterson and 3 other employees have been charged. The Oxford Center locations in Troy and Brighton have been shut down by the AG's office. Peterson is accused of neglecting important maintenance on the hyperbaric oxygen chambers, which led to Cooper's death. Judge Maureen McGinnis reviewed the collection of evidence and denied the motion for an evidentiary hearing.
Nothing in here that outright gave the court any indication that this information that was cited came from these privileged communications between Ms. Peterson and her attorneys.
Judge McGinnis also allowed Peterson to modify one of her bond conditions. She is allowed to return to the Oxford Center location in Brighton only for the purpose of facilitating the sale of the building. The next step in this legal process, a preliminary examination. However, no date has been set just yet. In Troy, Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.